In this video, we're going to be setting up our dataset to create our own Smart Dashcam. So what the Smart Dashcam is it'll be able to detect cars, stop signs, and we can add traffic lights and other things as well. And up everything with OpenImages and roboflow. So we're going to download multiple datasets and merge them in roboflow to create one big dataset that we can train later on. So if you've checked out my previous video, which I'll link in the description below, you need to follow that video so that you can continue with this tutorial, as you're going to need to have installed OpenImages and some packages and prerequisites. So I'm going to go to my folder right here, to the softwares folder that we created last time. So if you go back to OID, you go to Dataset, Train, or CSV folder, and then you want to go to the class descriptions boxable, and then you'll get to this Excel sheet here. So these are the names of all the classes that OpenImages has to offer, or in this case that are available right now in this package. So if we want to look for a stop sign, it would be right here. So we want to download the car class and the stop sign class for now, and we can add more later on. So we can find the car right here. So I've set up all the commands over here, and so these are all the commands you're going to need to follow and paste into Anaconda prompt to be able to install both classes. So we're going to open Anaconda prompt, and here we need to activate our virtual environment, and then we need to change our directory to the folder. Alright, and now we can begin installing our class. So here we want to install around 500 images for both, for the stop sign and car. We can just go back here, we'll paste in the first, and this is the car. You press enter, and it'll start installing everything into this folder. So this will take some time, and you would do the same thing for the other class. Just paste it in, and it'll download all the images into here, which we will upload to roboflow and combine over there to set up our final data set. Alright, so once you're done downloading all the images, you can go to your OID folder, dataset, train, and then you're going to have car and stop sign. So if we can check here, we have a bunch of cars, and these are of course already annotated. And then we have all the stop signs here. Alright, so now we just need to upload these to roboflow, and to do that, all you need to do is go to roboflow, make sure you make an account so that you can actually create a dataset, and it's also free. We need to create a dataset. So we're going to create two separate ones, but then there's a merge option that you can use to combine the two. So we're going to make the car one first, create dataset. Alright, so we want to select our folder now. I'm going to go to ID, dataset, train, car, upload. So this may take some time as well as for the processing, and just overall just uploading it. Alright, press finish upload. We want to split them up a bit. Continue. Yeah, and this part can take like 5 to 10 minutes. So we're going to do the same process for the other class, and then I'll show you what to do after and how to merge them. Alright, so once you finish creating both datasets, all you need to do is select both and create and click merge datasets, and you can name it. In this case, I'm going to put it as Smart Dashcam. And set. You just press merge dataset, and this could take a little bit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You got your data set here, and if you want to add on any more other data sets for new objects, you can just create them and then select both and press merge, and then it'll be added on to your new data set. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.